The Noorbakhshia is a Sufi Imamiya order. It was founded in the 15th century in Iran. Its followers are mostly located in Baltistan, Pakistan. Their total population is estimated to be around 1.5 to 2 million people worldwide, and they are well known for their peaceful nature and efforts to unite all Muslims. In this regard, the spiritual leader of this community recently wrote an open letter to the Ismaili Council about the AKRSP office that was burned in Skardu. In his letter, he expressed deep regret over how some uninformed individuals set the AKRSP office on fire. He wrote about how AKRSP has served the entire region and said that its work is truly commendable. He emphasized that instead of only praising the organization, everyone should stand with it and actively take part in serving humanity through its efforts. He further stated that all people and religious leaders are aware of and appreciate the services of the Aga Khan, and they wish for such institutions to continue working forever. He also urged his large number of followers to come together and fully support the Aga Khan Rural Support Program.
सबको इस खुल्दे बरिन में हाँ बुला कर नूर कर इस जहां से मेरे